Obaseki receives former head of state General Abdulsalami Abubakar retired for Benin. The governor, where they represented by Edo Deputy Governor Engineer Marvelous Omobayo, welcomed the former head of state and the entourage for the Benin airport. A contact said the leadership qualities of General Abdulsalami Abubakar retired, they inspiring and worthy of formulation by Niger leaders for them to deliver the dividends of democracy. A constituent say in they privileged and highly honored to see and they in the company of the former Niger leader, as seen describe him as correct elder statesman.
It is the first time I'm meeting our own at close range. He's somebody we have followed very closely, his leadership trajectory. We're just discussing privately just now. I said, sir, I remember your tenure was around 8 to 9 months, and he said yes. I said, but there's something you'll be remembered for, to have given us that transition from military to democracy, even though the dividend of democracy today from the general assessment is still far below 50%, but it's a step in the right direction.
For in part, General Abdulsalami Abubakar retired contact say in they Benin to grace the 25th anniversary of Igbinedion University Okada, as Nain give them license to start the school, and say in one serve for Edo State as a young officer during the active years as military officer.
As a young officer, I served in Benin, and coming back to Benin bringing nostalgia of those good old days, of the good people of Benin and Dembendel State, who are very accommodating. So it's nice to be back here. And I'm here to proceed to Okada, where they will be celebrating their 25th year of Benin University. It might interest you to know that I gave them license. They are the first private university. So I'm very happy to be here. And thank goodness the deputy governor has come to receive me. So it shows the hospitality of the people of Edo. I want to thank them again and wish them all the best.
Make none forget say, as we see him, now so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojisole, TMC TV News.